Hey guys, I, architect Moksha Bhatia is back with another interesting video. Today I will be taking you to the tour of Pierre Jeanneret's house. Pierre Jeanneret was the chief architect of the city who lived in Chandigarh for 11 years in house number 57, sector 5 to assist and advise the local government. He has contributed to the urban morphology of Chandigarh as deeply and widely as Corbusier. During his stay in Chandigarh, he trained young architects with extreme devotion and patience. His house is right opposite the famous Sukhna Lake of Chandigarh. He was the one who oversaw the daily construction work of the Capitol complex. His desire for his ashes to be dissolved into the Sukhna Lake was a sign of his attachment with Chandigarh. His home was turned into a museum as a way to honor his efforts and preserve his memory. Today, this home tells the story of Jeanneret's creative genius. If you ever wanted to live in a museum, then this is the one. The house's lofty ceiling and outside stone walls keep it cool even in this intense heat. As I told before, for 11 years Pierre Jeanneret resided in this home while he and his well-known cousin Corbusier were developing the city. Keeping in mind the hot weather and other conditions of building in India, he created simple but effective designs. The Jeanneret house is a type 4J, one meant for senior officers. The house is a two-story structure featuring wide open balconies with lattice brick screens and lots of outdoor spaces. The house architecture features are now a major component of Chandigarh's architecture character. Common elements of many structures in the city include balconies, porches with distinctive designs, lattice brickwork, exposed brick and boulder stone masonry, unfinished concrete surfaces and narrow openings to trap light in contrast to plastered surfaces and stone walls. The verandas covered by brick jalis provide privacy and cool shade even during the scorching summer months of North India. The stone walls also play a role in keeping the house cool. The ground floor of the house has an office room, the living room and a dining area connected to the kitchen. Every room lets in plenty of natural light and has a view of the expansive garden. The dining area is connected to the kitchen. In this room, you may see some of the difficulties Jeanneret encountered while he was living in Chandigarh. Model of the furniture designed by Pierre Jeanneret is displayed here. He carefully considered the content and details, making original mashups of the furniture. The living room consists of the fireplace, an eye-catching window and other huge windows that make excellent use of natural light. This area provides information on the various educational structures created by him. The office room on the ground floor is colored with neil and not the blue paint. This area discusses the various housing projects that Jeanneret has worked on. The functional planning of this house, especially structures that allow for interplay between natural light and shadow through the day and the continuity of open-closed spaces, can be noticed in all the major structures he designed for Chandigarh. The spiral staircase with simple and magnificent railing detail leads us onto first floor. The first floor consists of the brick latticed verandas. Lattice brickwork or jali served as an ornamental and functional element that afforded privacy to terraces and verandas while allowing ventilation. When air conditioning was non-existent, Jeanneret built these covered verandas to keep the houses comfortable and cool. Each room on the first floor opens to a shaded balcony. First floor consists of the rooms. Each room gets an ample amount of natural light. Also, each room in the house has windows with the garden view, and the garden of the house is covered with variety of trees. In restoring the museum, Jeanneret's love of line, shape and form as well as his artistic vision have been taken into consideration. Therefore, the museum is a must visit for both the architects and the budding architects. That's all for today. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about the house. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.